Hey there, hustlers. Welcome back to another episode of The Financial Wolf. I'm your host, Cooper, and today we're going to dive into a side hustle that can help you make some serious cash, and the best thing is that it barely requires any work. But before we dive into the good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And hey, if you enjoy the video, show me some love with a like and leave a comment down below. All right, let's get rolling. Today's topic is drop servicing on Fiverr using ChatGPT. What is drop servicing, you might ask? Well, it is a business model where you connect clients with service providers, manage the process, and earn profits without performing the services yourself. You basically act as a middleman. A good place to find business providers is Fiverr. It is an online platform where businesses and individuals can hire professional freelancers to provide services. These services can range from graphic design and writing to programming and marketing. This is without a doubt one of the best and most untapped side hustles out there. The first step is finding local businesses that is in need of a service. I would recommend looking for businesses that have a lacking website or no website at all. The reason for this is that you can charge a lot for making a website. The more expensive the service is, the more money you can make. And don't worry, you don't need any actual coding skills. You are only the middleman. The freelancer is the one doing all the work. Start by hopping onto Google Maps and search for businesses in your area that might benefit from a new website. Try to look for businesses that have lacking websites or no website at all. Create a list of as many prospects as possible. And remember, the more businesses you reach out to, the greater your chances of securing clients. Now that you have your list of prospects, it's time to automate the outreach process using the power of ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to create compelling templates for cold emails and cold calls. Craft messages that grab attention, highlight the benefits you can offer, and keep it personalized to each business. Using the templates you got from ChatGPT and putting them into action will eventually result in your very first client. What's next? Well, now comes the exciting part. Finding the freelancers who can bring your promises to life. You don't need to possess the skills yourself. You'll act as the middle hand and keep the profit. You can even use ChatGPT to reach out to the freelancers, describe the client's problem and the desired solution, and ask ChatGPT to turn it into a message for the freelancer. Make sure that you choose a cheap freelancer with a lot of good reviews. You can even tell them that you plan on finding them more clients if you are happy with the result. This might open up the opportunity to negotiate and get a discount. Once you have a freelancer lined up, it's time to seal the deal. Communicate with your client, ensuring their needs align with the freelancer's capabilities. Manage expectations, establish clear timelines, and act as the intermediary between the client and the freelancer. Your role is to make sure everything runs smoothly, while the freelancer brings the client's vision to life. As the middle hand, you keep the profit and watch your bank account grow. And there you have it. Drop servicing using ChatGPT is a money glitch that can skyrocket your income without breaking a sweat. Remember, scout for local businesses, leverage ChatGPT to create irresistible templates, find the perfect freelancers, and seal the deal. It's time to ride the waves of drop servicing success. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more side hustles, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Cooper, signing out.